All veterans opposing ED 2030 will be silenced forever. Sanapinda mashoko obuda achitogwa nevakomana vana Douglas Maia panguva inoi. Vanhu zvasiri shoko kuti vakomana vari kuitaura mashoko aya vachijarira mawo veteran. Amene kuti vari kumbotimba nei. Sanapinda mashoko mudanyo pana mtu subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timbira panapa vakomana vechenjeri dobudanyira ZANU-PF Secretary for War Veterans Douglas Maia warned all veterans opposing President Emmerson Mnangagwa's extended rule that they could be silenced indefinitely, reported CITE. His remarks were aimed at Blessed Rune Sungesa and other veterans critical of Mnangagwa's leadership, citing issues like corruption and cronyism. This is an Ignite Media Zimbabwe news production. The Zimbabwe Republic Police has launched a manhunt for Geza, who faces criminal charges including theft, undermining the authority of the president and incitement of violence. Maia also claimed that had Mnangagwa been less principled, ZANU-PF could have declared a state of emergency to extend his rule, citing the sanctions imposed on the country as akin to a declaration of war by Western powers. Maia made comments during the launch of a War Veterans Funds and Empowerment Program in Bulawayo on Saturday. He said, "We were sanctioned by the West. That's a sign that we are in a war. When a country has sanctions, when people are in a war, they can stop going for elections because they are in a war and they declare a state of emergency." Mnangagwa is a proper listening, educated leader, but if the country was under someone else, we could have declared that we are in a state of emergency and there are no elections. Then we would remove Mnangagwa from power only if he died. Thomas Kwambia togwa panapa nevakomana ataona kuti aiwa makoments anouya achitogwa nevakomana vana Douglas Maia panapa akonzeresa chaos mastreets. Ndoda kuti panapa vakuonekwa sevanhu vasingafungi, sevanhu vasina kandanjere, vari kuda kutrita macitizens sevanhu vasina kuenda kuchikoro. Ndoda kuti vanoona as if mashoko anouya vachitiudza aiwa public displays kana panga pamarally vanoita as if we care those words much kudarika zvatinoona on the ground. Mashops anovhara, vanoona mari dzavanouya achisponsa nana Chivhayo panguva ino. They think people they are blind, they cannot see. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vakomana vachizama kuda kusilenza ma war veterans. Mina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.